So programming is the process of giving machines a set of instructions that describe how the program should be carried out. You can think of it a bit like cooking with a recipe. You are the machine, and the recipe's author provides you with a set of instructions which you can read and try and follow to make a meal. In programming, these set of instructions must be written in a language that the machine can understand. Like us, we would only be able to understand a recipe if it was in a language we knew and recognised. This process of translating these ideas into a written form that a computer can understand is called coding. There are many programming languages out there, and they all have their own merit, with some being better suited to particular tasks than others. In data, programming is a really powerful tool and helps us to be able to more easily extract insights from data and to undertake complex tasks which as humans we wouldn't be able to do. In addition, programming provides the ability for these instructions to be used time and time again, and by different people. It can also be used to help automate tasks. Programming allows you to be able to undertake tasks which you wouldn't be able to do by hand. It allows you to process large amounts of data, enable tasks to be faster, and facilitates machine learning models to be developed. There is also a way of thinking when programming, so learning this skill is really beneficial in tackling data problems and helps when picking up other programming languages later down the line. In programming, you have to be able to break down the problem into smaller steps, as this allows you to convey the set of instructions. This way of working provides great benefit when undertaking data problems. All of these advantages mean that this skill is really desirable from an employability point of view, and most data professionals will need some level of programming in their job. There are many ways in which programming can be utilised within the data industry. Examples of this can be seen in the role of a data engineer, where they build and maintain data management systems. A data engineer may use SQL, a structured query language, to create a database, add new data to existing database, or modify data already there. In the role of a data scientist, they may use SQL to extract the data from the database for their analysis. Then they may use languages such as Python and R to analyse data and develop machine learning models. They may also use Python and R Shiny to create dashboards and applications to present what they have found in the data. Programming can also be used in roles to enable automation of tasks. They may be admin tasks that are carried out every day by humans that follow the same steps. This could be to copy and paste data from one system to the other and calculate metrics. This is a perfect example where we can utilise programming to undertake these steps and provide them as instructions to a computer. These instructions can then be set to run every day on the computer rather than a human carrying them out. This frees up time for the human, removes the potential risk of human error, and speeds up the task. There's so many opportunities out there to learn the skill, so the challenge is how do you cut through all the resources and find the one that is really useful to you. At the Data Lab, we have a lot of resources on here that have been designed to help our community be successful. The Data Skills for Work portal provides a great list of different courses and providers. There are different styles of courses out there, so if you want a more bootcamp style, then providers such as CodeClan could be an option. For online courses, there are great providers, such as Code Academy. If a degree is something that you'd want to explore, then many data undergraduate and postgraduate courses will teach programming as a part of this. I would also say that the best way to learn programming is to actually jump in and do it in practice. So once you've learned some of the fundamentals, go practice in those languages with different examples, or even try a little project.